Hi everybody, Sanbonani, welcome to my channel. Do make sure that you are subscribed and also do like the video. Listen, you guys. So something is going on with Leon and Tuli Madlamoka. They used to be a couple and they did content creation together, very loved. And then at some point they went their separate ways. And I guess there are things that they never revealed to the public when they went apart. And I am not sure what happened, but there is a voice note that was posted by Leon trying to basically say that Tuli had tried to lie about him abusing her. Then Tuli came back to say, listen, that is not what that is. The voice note is manipulated. I will tell you guys the truth, and the truth is that Leon did AB me, and here are the receipts. And then she started posting pictures of the ABing situation, and she says that the voice note is cut and manipulated. And she had tried very hard not to tell people what Leon had done to her because she did not want to ruin his reputation, but he keeps telling lies about her, so now she's telling the truth about him. Listen, you guys, I wish that people, when they realize that the relationship is not working out, they can just go their separate ways and then they don't try to badmouth each other, because I think that Tuli was never really going to release the pictures had Leon just moved on with his life and maybe left her alone. But behind the scenes, we don't know what's happening. I do believe that what Tuli claims happened did happen, and I do believe her when she says that she never had intentions of releasing the pictures or even telling people what had happened. But now it's out there. Now, you guys, this is just evidence that what you see online, especially with these couples that do content creation together, you can think that they're like the cutest and whatever, and you may think that you are seeing everything, but we're not. Even when they have cameras around all the time, there are things that you don't get to see when it comes to couples. Anyways, you guys, I haven't seen anything that says that Utuli maybe has opened a case. I think she just wanted the truth to be out there, and I think Leon also was trying to tell his side of the story, but it doesn't look like it's working out for him at this point. Anyways, thank you so much. Here are the audios of what they say happened between the two of them. Goodbye.
Vula ngibona.
Usembarasile.
Vula ngibona. Vula ngibona. Vula ngibona. Vula ngibona.
Yini oyifuna lapho?
Vula ngibona. Vula ngibona.
And uyabona ukuthi awuyitholi hard drive yakho. Zonke izinto zami
ususikephi? Ususikephi?
Angithi shilo lapho ngiyini.
Usejardini.
In your yard.
Ususekhaya, usejardini.
Yini yard?
Usukubiza ngasejardini.
Iyard kanti.
Usukubiza ngejaridi.
Okay, I'm sorry, but sengisukile in your yard.
Ejardini.
Kanti yini charity ngesizulu ngiyard ngesizulu because it's a charity really.
Yazi reason why ngize nalo ngifuna ukubona
WhatsApp.
Okay, vula ngibona.
Hey. Ngenxa ye-connection bengisaclarify ukuthi to everyone sticker ku-and lie. U-and lie came from the fact that he lied about me on Facebook. What him I cheated on him. So I was confronting. I never went to him to apologize. Apologize for what? For what? For the fact that he hit me. For what? I said and lied because he lied about me on Facebook. I was confronting him about lying ngegama lami ku Facebook. Mase nga-add ukuthi if nami kuthiwa ngahamba ngayokhuluma kubantu ngathi you hit me ngathi and add lies, that in context nje yale, and add lies That's the context. Ingake ekhathile VN, ingake ngiblokile also, because I wanted to go comment on that shit. My life.
Mina ngizokwenza ngalokho. Ngizokwenzani mina ngalokho mina?
Yabo izinto zambuko
Ngizokwenzani ngalokho mina Sifebe? Ngizokwenzani mina ngalokho?
Leon sekufanele uhambe endlini.
Ngiyabuza
If kuthiwa Leon bengikwenza umuntu omubi kangako as you think ukuthi ngikwenza umuntu omubi, then why ngingapostanga ku social media? Because very obviously if ngipost ku social media, i-image yakho is gonna get ruined. And mina if I'm convincing people ukuthi umuntu omubi, vele if ngizoposta ku social media and actually right, abantu vele bezokholwa whatever I say. If mina ke bengifuna ukugwele monster that you think ngikwenza yona and ngithi ungishayile, bengingakwenza lokho and post on social media and lie. Ngishayile, you are a monster, you hit me, you did this and this. But I didn't do that because
nakhona lokho Thuli mfethu.